My name is Sanjar. I'm a manager of operations at Fix Appliance CA, where we mostly work with the residential appliances, and now we're currently working with commercial appliances and light industrial appliances, and we offer services at hotels, motels, and laundromats. We provide repairs and maintenance to the appliances, and the laundromat dryers and hotel dryers have to be maintained every certain period of time, so every 6 months on average. We're offering these services to maintain your appliances, to make sure they're in their working order and that they don't present any hazards or dangers to your operation. We provide same-day services or next-day services to make sure that your operations are not affected by an appliance being in an inoperative condition. At Fix Appliances, we're proud to provide you with high-quality, professional, and reliable service. Anytime you have any issues with your commercial appliances, just give us a call and we'll be glad to assist you.